Well, boys, in an effort to keep progress moving, I am going to pull the third member here in my driveway. Not ideal, but gotta do what you gotta do. We're gonna start pulling this rear third member out. I gotta get some jack stands, I gotta get some tools, I gotta get sorted, so this is gonna be a nightmare, but here we go. I don't know if you could tell, but that was horrible. Did I have to take it apart? Probably not. It's apart now. What are you gonna do? Now this is the side that the axle seal's been leaking on, so I'm hoping this just pops right off. Yeah. Oh. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Oh my God. That is terrible. Okay, boys, we're getting close now. All right, boys, I gotta call it tonight. I can't see anything. I don't know about you guys, but it's just like a pitch black sort of mystery up here. So we'll call it tonight. We'll be back at it tomorrow with cleaner hands, hopefully. We're just gonna friggin' go for it. Crazy. Yeah. Oh, brother. Did it break? Oh, it broke. Nice. We're in business now. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. On the E-locker. Oh, shit. No way. No way. I think I gotta have this thing drooped out, otherwise it's gonna hit the gas tank. Okay, well, there's no way that's coming out. Oh! Well, we're in it now. Yeah, I'm out of both of them, okay. Oh, there we go! There we go! Come on! Ow! Ow! We got it! Well, there she is, boys. Third member secured. This isn't how I wanted to start my Sunday. Got all my new parts up here, new gears, shims, bearings, new 29 spline, I believe it's 29 spline, flange, a couple of nuts, you know the deal. So I'm trying to power through this thing. It's also fighting me just like the front one did, but I think that's probably me, not the diff. So I'm just trying to power through this thing. It's Sunday, it's a shitty day. I'm trying to get this done so I can go home and slap it in and be done regearing this thing. I want to drive this thing. So I'm gonna knock this out as quick as I can, which could be today and it could be 2 weeks. Update time. I got the new pinion gear installed. New bearings, new pinion flams there. Mock-up stage right now, I got the same shim as I pulled off the stock setup. So right now, that's gonna be my base measurement, and I am working on getting these carrier bearings off, which this may or may not work. I don't really have the right tools here, so I got a combination of weird pullers and yada yada. So I'm gonna try this over on the press and see if that works. If it works, I'll keep going. If not, then I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow and get some professional help, which I should probably get anyway, but here we are. Well, I'm getting close on the diff, and I was just about to take it apart to set the pinion preload, because I've got pinion depth set, and I just wanted to show you guys my pattern, which, oh, there's the coast pattern. I didn't show you guys the front. There's the drive side. Not too bad. Bear in mind, first differentials I've set up is the clamshell front and this one. And the clamshell was absolutely brutal. This one's a little bit better. I was able to get the carrier bearings off, no sweat, new carrier bearings. This thing's gonna be fully rebuilt, and I'm pretty happy with that pattern. So now I gotta set pinion preload and slap it back together, set carrier preload, set backlash, and I am done regearing the 4Runner. I can't wait to drive this thing. I'm super excited. So without further ado, here's me putting it in the truck. All right, boys, we're back at it. I got the diff finished up yesterday. Unfortunately, I forgot my camera, so I didn't film it, but diff's all finished up. I got the drums cut, refreshed, ready to go. And I got new shoes put on the weird axle set up there. So, can I help you?
Can you help me?
Get out of my production room. So what I gotta do right now is clean up the axle housing, the old gasket material, all that old stuff, and get ready to drop in the third member. They even give you RTV. So, there we go. Oh, this stuff is interesting. I would normally put this on the third member, but this is gonna be a show, so I don't want it rubbing all over me while I chest heave this thing up here. Oh man. You guys ready for the show? I don't think I'm ready for the show. I should get it out of here first, huh? come on. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This is not gonna go well. Okay. Oh. Oh no, this is not gonna go well. There we go. Okay. Where are we? Oh. 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 Holy shit. That could have been reconstructive facial surgery. Well guys, the sun's going down and I forgot the friggin' axle seals at work, so I gotta replace these bad boys. The driver's side was pissing for, you know, years and years and years, so I got new ones. Forgot them at work, so I got the diff in, I got the drive shaft hooked up, I got the sway bar in, I got everything kind of plugged in, ready for those axle seals, axles, brakes, wheels, tires, on the ground. I'll be driving it this weekend. I'm super excited. So I'll show you a little montage of me slapping this thing back together, and then we'll get it off the trailer, get some gear oil in it, and take it for a rip. All right, this is it. I'm getting this thing off the trailer today. Hey there, here we are again. Nothing too major. I just found out that you have to, oh, let me see if I can get some light in here. I just found out that you have to time this gear for the e-locker. So what I have done is locked it by hand, flipped the switch, activated this, so they're both locked at the moment. I'll reassemble it, and that should be that. So nothing too major. I took it on its first test drive. After this, hopefully that's it.